Vending machines are convenient and offer quick snacks, which make them popular in the busy workplace or when you have a loved one in the hospital. And now there are more healthy options. Gunderson Health System, in partnership with Canteen Vending Services, now offer a greater variety of healthier alternatives that are 500 Club approved in their vending machines on their La Crosse, Onalaska, Sparta, and Toma campuses.
So thank you all for coming. I'm Valerie Pompu, registered dietitian and the 500 Club specialist here at Gunderson. As you know, vending is typically unhealthy. It's meant to be a quick snack, but oftentimes we go to it for a meal. Back in 2008, we tried to get our vending to be more healthy, and with all things, we needed to put more life or new life into it. So what we did is we specialize in prevention here at Gunderson, so we went and we made our vending machines 90% healthy. So they're 90% 500 Club approved, which means we control in calories and fat, and now we control in sugar. So we know that sugar is a negative thing in our health. It raises triglycerides, it decays our teeth, so we want to really control all of those things. We as Americans, we eat too much sugar as it is, so this is a really big thing, and we're trying to really prevent a lot of things for our employees and our community. I'd like to introduce Canteen Vending's District General Manager, Jim Wilson, to talk a little bit more.
Thank you, Valerie. I'd like to thank Gunderson Health Systems for allowing us the opportunity to provide this program. We joined the 500 Club actually as Stansfield Vending in the early 90s. Jim Stansfield, came forward to Gunderson and asked about enrolling in the program, and we began it in the snack machines and in the food machines at that point. We appreciate the opportunity to bring in all the products. We had to look at some other suppliers in order to make this happen, and we look forward to introducing some of the more popular items into more health-conscious accounts as we go. So I'd like to introduce Dr. Jeff Thompson, CEO of Gunderson Health Systems.
Thanks, Jim. I think the important piece here is to look at how this fits into our overall package. That we believe we have a responsibility to keep the community healthy. We believe that one of the biggest challenges that we have is managing our weight and exercise in this country. One of the scariest progressions in this country is the percentage of people who are obese. In 1990, there was hardly any states that had over 20% of the people were obese, and now every single state in the union have over 20% of the people obese, and some are closing in on 40. This is a huge burden on them personally, on the communities, and on businesses. So our job is to work with the community and partners that we can find to try and manage this really big problem. It still comes down to personal choice. We can't do everything, but we can help them. And with our partnership through Canteen, originally Stansfield and now Canteen, we have been able to come up with a plan whereby the staff and visitors will have a chance to choose designated healthy options. If you look at the vending machine, it's pretty clearly outlined. It's marked with green stickers. It has a limited amount of fat and sugar, a designated amount of calories. This is a process to try and help individuals make healthier choices. It's part of an overall plan. A couple vending machines are not going to fix the whole problem. But if we don't start somewhere, we don't get anywhere. So, along with the vending machines, we're working in the school districts, we work in our own cafeteria, we work in many places across the community. You'll notice 500 Club stickers in many of the restaurants, convenience stores, other establishments in the region. This is part of our overall plan to help the community help itself manage calories and their intake. So I think there is no one healthcare organization, there's no one part of the community that can do this. So we really appreciate the help that Canteen has lent with us, and our very strong nutrition department, who has led the way not only in our region, but have been nationally recognized on multiple occasions for their outstanding work. So thank you to that group, thank you to Canteen, and if you have any questions.
Healthier selections will now make up 90% of vending machine options, up from the current 30%. Some of these choices will be offered for a lower price compared to less healthy snacks, as further incentive to make healthy choices. Healthy snacks include a balance of protein and fiber-rich carbohydrates. For more information about eating right, go to the Gunderson Health System website, gundersonhealth.org.